The members were talking about JK snore. But that doesn't sound like snoring at all. They said that JK snoring is actually quite minor.